Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up lower yesterday. You had soybeans over 30 cents lower. You can attribute some of that to the rumors that China was releasing between 2 to 3 million metric tons of soybean reserves in December. So talk of that obviously is going to send the soybean market lower as more reserves released by China equals less export demand for the U.S. So we saw that yesterday. We're all currently lower this morning. There's some heavier rainfall forecasts over in Iowa, Minnesota, and then here in Illinois. So that is pressuring the markets this morning. Also, we had some private analyst expectations released yesterday. We had FC Stone coming out with corn yield of 156.4 bushels per acre. We also had production at 13.942 billion bushels. And for beans, they had the yield coming in at 14.2 bushels per acre. And then they had production coming in at 3.146 billion bushels. Also had Reuters did a 20 analyst poll. Average results from that for yield were 153.985 bushels per acre for corn, and then beans came in at 41.09. So had some private analyst expectations coming out yesterday. We'll see that continue. We're a week away from the latest WASDE report. That'll be out this next Thursday. So we'll have some updates on that here early next week. So keep your eye out for those. We are lower this morning, but one of the positive things for the bull side is that it's on lower volume. If the volume was heavier, that would mean that we had renewed selling interest, and there would be more volume, thus the sell-off would be greater. The volume's lower, so that might mean there's more position squaring than people actually initiating new short positions. So that's something to keep your eye on. As the volume remains low, that actually is a bullish thing for the grain markets, even if we are kind of heading lower. So again, lower this morning on a weather forecast. Keep your eye out on the weather. That's obviously what's going to influence the market, mostly for beans moving forward. Wheat's following along with corn right now as far as wheat goes. But moving forward, keep your eye on those forecasts. Stay tuned. We'll have updates as far as what private analysts are thinking, as far as next Thursday's WASDE report, and also what we have our eye on is that as far as that goes as well. So thanks, and have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.